So hi everybody, I am here just giving you a destruction update. I am, as you see here, there is a big pile of growing boxes that I had stuck things away. Here is a big pile of wine that I can't quite get in the house yet. And come on, walk with me. So as you see, things are piled up here in the foyer as they shouldn't be, and rugs are piled up, so don't trip. Okay, don't trip. There are shoes under the settee. I still don't have, since yesterday, we did have to go into the dressing room, so my dressing room had to be emptied, and this piece down here can't be sanded, primed, and painted until tomorrow. So this is, can everybody see? So there's the contents of my dressing room laying on my couch, which you can't see at all. And there's shoes, and it's general mayhem. The upside is that most of the things can come out of the wine room, and the kitchen is starting to look like a kitchen again. So in a nod to, let's see, I don't know if I can get this going. I don't have any light in here yet. Let's see, does that work at all? Ah! Here we go. So in a nod to Sandwich Week, I went to the Ellisa Deli and I had them make me a fresh mozzarella and salami sandwich. And so that figured that was a great thing, because that means I have good olive oil, I have basil oil, I have roasted tomatoes, I have roasted peppers. I can dress it up any way I want. So guys, that's just my report. All I can do is check in and say, hey, I'm doing the best I can. Getting this clean was pretty hard this morning too. So anyway, you guys, there's a thin layer of concrete dust all over everything in my house. So, you know, Denise, my upside is it's never going to have been cleaner. So, you guys, I'll be back tomorrow, I promise. Come hell or high water, this has got to get under control, or Mama gonna lose her mind. I love you guys. See, I don't even know where my makeup is, so I can't stay on very long. I really can't remember where I've hidden it from myself. So, okay, guys. Ciao, ciao.